Good day, everyone, and today we find colorful drinks in Chendesitas after nag-church kami. Bumili kami ng barbecue for dinner and nakita namin tong drinks. So we have blue lemonade, tapos we have melon and dragon fruit. Tatlo yung binili namin, guys. This is for 80 pesos. And they have colorful drinks and ang ganda ng straw nila. Thank you guys for always watching Mami Lay. Please like and subscribe and please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga lakwatsa namin. At God bless everyone. Sobrang nang enjoy ang pamilya ko dito sa drinks namin.